8 common fishing mistakes and how to avoid them. Fishing is a serene experience, but for those just wading into these waters, it's easy to get tangled in mistakes. Let's reel in some of the most common fishing errors and cast out solutions to ensure your fishing trip goes swimmingly. 1. Using the wrong gear. Mistake: picking up any rod, reel, or bait without considering the type of fish or the fishing environment. Solution: research the species you're aiming to catch and match your gear accordingly. Freshwater and saltwater fishing, for example, require different equipment. 2. Ignoring local regulations. Mistake: not checking local fishing rules and inadvertently overfishing or catching protected species. Solution: always consult local fishing regulations, obtain the necessary permits or licenses, and follow catch and release guidelines if required. 3. Neglecting knot tying. Mistake: using improper knots, which can lead to lost bait or fish escaping. Solution: learn a few basic, yet strong knots, like the Palomar or improved clinch knot. Practice tying them until it becomes second nature. 4. Fishing at the wrong time. Mistake: hitting the waters whenever convenient without considering the best times fish are active. Solution: fish tend to be more active during cooler parts of the day, like dawn and dusk. Also, consider factors like moon phases and tides, which can influence fish behavior. 5. Being impatient. Mistake: constantly changing baits or spots after a short period without bites. Solution: while it's important to try different tactics, patience is a virtue in fishing. Sometimes waiting a bit longer can yield better results. 6. Not adapting to conditions. Mistake: sticking to one technique or bait, regardless of the day's conditions or environment. Solution: learn to read the water and weather. Adjust your techniques based on water clarity, temperature, and current. For instance, on windy days, casting into the wind can prove more fruitful. 7. Poor casting techniques. Mistake: not achieving the desired distance or accuracy with casts, scaring fish away in the process. Solution: practice makes perfect. Spend time honing your casting skills in a spacious environment. Learning to cast with both overhead and sidearm techniques can help in different situations. 8. Not taking care of equipment. Mistake: leaving reels, rods, and other gear dirty or not storing them properly, leading to quicker wear and tear. Solution: clean your gear after each trip, especially if you've been saltwater fishing. Store rods vertically and make sure reels are not overly tightened during storage. Fishing is as much about preparation and understanding as it is about luck. By being mindful of these common mistakes and equipping yourself with the knowledge to counteract them, you're setting yourself up for many successful trips by the water. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned angler, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving art of fishing.